That's right, DANAE. Now, Argos does everything first class. I've said that a million times. From the hand craftsmanship of the bottles, they're all hand painted. All the bottles are filled to order. This juice is spectacular. They spared no expense. Look at this, look at the plating. This thing is so heavy. You've got that amazing cap. You got the pressure sensitive atomizer, but the juice is gorgeous. There's a sweet sticky cistus in this that's just amazing. It's a patchouli bomb. There's a creamy, just vanillic, gorgeous sweetness coming from this. And then the citrus is just so creamy, so beautiful. I wear this on special occasions, and every time I wear it, it's just one of those fragrances that makes you poke your chest out and feel good about yourself. It really does invoke confidence. This is Argos's DANAE, and I turn heads every time I wear it. It projects across the room, and it lasts about 8 hours on my skin. I love this house, and I love this fragrance.